Hey everyone! Is your car struggling with rough shifting, loss of power, or even getting stuck in one gear? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0797, Pressure Control Solenoid C stuck on, your transmission is holding too much pressure, which can lead to harsh shifting and long-term damage. But don't worry. In this video, I'll explain what P0797 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components responsible for this issue so you can fix it. Let's get started. What is P0797? The P0797 trouble code appears when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects that Pressure Control Solenoid C is stuck in the on position and not adjusting hydraulic pressure properly. Pressure control solenoids help maintain smooth shifting by regulating transmission fluid pressure. When solenoid C gets stuck, it leads to excessive pressure inside the transmission. Symptoms of P0797 include hard or jerky gear shifts, transmission overheating car, stuck in one gear, limp mode, check engine light and transmission warning light, poor fuel efficiency, and delayed acceleration. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0797. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0797, check these key components. Pressure Control Solenoid C. Location: inside the transmission valve body, usually accessible by removing the transmission pan. Function: controls hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location: mounted on the transmission case, firewall, or under the dashboard. Function: sends electrical signals to control solenoids and fluid pressure. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location on the transmission housing near the valve body. Function: monitors hydraulic pressure and reports to the TCM. Wiring and connectors location: runs between the TCM and solenoids inside the transmission. Function: transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause solenoid malfunctions. Common causes of P0797: faulty pressure control, solenoid C. The solenoid is stuck in the on position, preventing pressure adjustment. Dirty or contaminated transmission fluid. Debris can block solenoids and cause shifting issues. Wiring or connector problems. Broken or corroded wires between the TCM and solenoid can cause incorrect signals. Defective Transmission Control Module, TCM. The TCM may not be sending correct commands. Blocked or dirty valve body. Dirt buildup can restrict fluid movement. Internal transmission damage. Worn clutch packs or seals can affect pressure regulation. How to fix P0797. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the proper level. Replace if dirty. Step 2. Inspect pressure control solenoid C. Use a multimeter to test its electrical function. Step 3. Check wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, loose or corroded wiring between the TCM and solenoid. Step 4. Test the Transmission Control Module, TCM. Scan for additional codes and reset if needed. Step 5. Clean the valve body. Remove any debris or blockages. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check if the issue is resolved. Final words: a P0797 solenoid issue can lead to serious transmission damage if ignored. Checking the solenoid, wiring, TCM, and fluid condition is key to fixing this error. Watch these related videos next. P0460 Fuel Level Sensor Circuit Malfunction. P0461 Fuel Level Sensor Circuit Range Performance. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.